Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the sequence color space and monitoring. Set sequence to HDR10 or Rec. 2100 HLG, so Premiere treats color correctly. Once done, open Lumetri scopes. Waveform and Parade reveal clipping and balance, while Vector scope shows skin tones. This is how you see the problem. Make sure Program Monitor is set for HDR playback or send to an HDR-capable external monitor, because what you correct must match the target display. Now import your clip and place it on. You next perform primary HDR adjustments using Lumetri. Start with basic correction. Lower exposure or highlights if waveform shows spikes above target, raise shadows to reveal detail. This prevents clipping. Then move to curves and shape the Luma curve for a gentle roll-off. That tames harsh highlights without crushing midtones. Use RGB curves to nudge color cast, and switch to color wheels in HDR mode to lift or pull highlight nits precisely. This keeps the look natural, while preserving dynamic range. You finish by preparing the deliverable and validating results. If delivering HDR, export with proper HDR metadata and a mastering codec like HEVC with Rec. 2100 tags. If delivering SDR, apply a controlled HDR to SDR transform using Lumetri or display color management to avoid crushed blacks. Once exported, confirm on target hardware and recheck scopes. If highlights clip or colors shift, toggle the Rec. 709 preview, revisit Luma curve and highlight wheels, then re-export. That single loop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.